show.
Mom, I want down couch.
All right, go over there then.
No, I don't want to take me. No, I want to.
It's a cooking show.
First step, cook your sister. Throw her in a pot of water and turn it on high.
Throw a piece of water and throw it up.
Next
high.
step, how to make a grilled cheese. Bread.
And more bread.
Butter.
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 That's not what it's called. It's called butter.
Cheese.
Cheese.
American.
Cheese is yellow. Nice like to eat it.
We need how many pieces of bread?
2.
2. But mommy's gonna have one. So we need 4. And we only have 3.
Bread is smooth.
This bread got squished.
Bread can get squished all right.
And it normally opens no problems.
With scissors.
Boop. Close the bread. Get out a knife.
Knives are very sharp. Don't let your kids use them.
Butter your bread.
You can use knives for cutting stuff and putting stuff on what it's supposed to be on.
Must put butter evenly on the entire piece of bread. Too much bread or too much butter could cause a soggy grilled cheese. No butter could burn your ends.
If you don't do a grilled cheese the right way, then you won't eat it.
Then it's just not as yummy. And never, ever, ever use spray on cooking spray. That's disgusting.
And no spraying bug spray.
No spray on butter. Yuck. Put your butter bread in the skillet thingy. Butter side out. And then you wait for it to cook. And we'll check on it in a couple minutes. I think I saw a hair. No, maybe not. Never, ever, ever make a grilled cheese with cooking spray. Did I say that already?
Yeah.
It's disgusting.
Nobody wants to do that.
Nobody wants to eat that.
Now, if you're a weird person and if you put disgusting stuff on it, alright, you can't eat it. Throw it in the garbage and it would just never come.
Exactly. Throw it away. If you're going to do a shortcut, you ain't going to eat it. Don't shortcut a grilled cheese. They're too delicious.
You don't want to touch the stove because it's really hot. If you touch it, you would burn yourself. If you keep the oven on, it would burn your house that way.
Yep. Do a little cleanup while you're waiting for things to cook. So then you don't have all the cleanup at the end. Keep everything nice and tidy. Woo! Smell that Juliet diaper.
Don't say that. This is a cooking show. The garbage is really disgusting. Don't smell it because it would make you bad. It would smell bad. You have to take a shower every day if you smell the garbage.
Wipe the counter down, keep it nice and clean, get rid of the germs.
Germs might be everywhere, so watch out.
Germs are everywhere. Alright, so you're going to take your spatula. You're going to stick it under the edge. It's a little hot, so be very careful. Scoop it up. And watch this. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Flip! Ooh, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. And it's going good. Take a look. We're going to let it go.
Use it with that. If you use it with your hands, it would burn your hands.
Gonna use some Christmas plates.
Because it's not very Christmas in our town. We live in America, not Florida.
America.
This is a cooking show. Pull something out of the fridge.
Juliet
What's hot dog?
wants a hot dog. So I'm staying 2 steps ahead. You're gonna open your hot dogs. This is the Juliet special. Pull out a hot dog.
On the picture.
Rip off a paper towel. Wrap the hot dog in it loosely. And
Put it-
microwave for 25 seconds.
Put it in the oven.
Close up your hot dogs. Drop them in the Ziploc. Close the Ziploc. Push the air out.
So it doesn't get rotten.
And shove it back in the meat. Now, oops.
Now-
What do you guys want besides grilled cheese and hot dogs today?
Ready.
Just a grilled cheese.
You just want grilled cheese?
What? What? What's
What's
that?
that? Get Juliet's hot dog out. Grab a plate. Grab some stuff.
Do not pick a knife and a fork out. A fork is spiky, so watch out. And a knife is sharp. Don't let your kids use it.
Juliet! Oh my goodness. Alright, Juliet. Here we go.
It only takes a couple minutes to cook a hot dog.
There's Jules. Time to check our grilled cheese again.
Don't you dare walk to the kitchen and cook
Ooh.
stuff.
Doing good.
Walk to the kitchen to cook. If you don't, you can't do it anywhere besides the floor. Floors have germs. That's why you have feet. An apple.
How about an apple today?
Yeah.
You've got to take the sticker off.
Yes.
Give it a little quick bath.
Yes. If you eat the sticker, you would get sick.
Get a little cutting board out.
This is called a cutting board. You can get a knife out and cut it. Or you can get that out. You want to
Ready for
see a
this?
cool thing?
Come on over on this side. You ready?
Yeah. Ready, set, go. This is called an apple cutter. Cut it and it'll do something cool.
Check that out.
I like apple.
Boom!
I like an apple. I'm gonna try it. Oh. My apples taste harder. Carter, where are you, Carter?
Carter's in Florida.
Mommy.
Give it a couple seconds to cool down.
Yeah. If you eat it hot, then you would burn yourself.
Mommy. I put it
Eat some apple.
here.
Nom 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 nom.
There's another apple.
Eat a grilled cheese. Nom 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 nom. And let go. Taste gooey. It's hot. Eat this, some of this. Nom 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 nom. And our lunch is ready to go.
Bon appetit!
We're still videotaping this.
We got some picky people who don't like the crust on their grilled cheese.
Yeah.
So we let it cool down for a minute. Pizza scissors.
Those are not scissors.
Boop! We
You
just
can-
cut that crust off.
You can use this for pizza. To cut it.
And then we always like things in triangles. And that's lunch.
Nom 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 nom.
Num 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 num. Thank you. Bye-bye.